Hey guys, so I realised that we haven't seen Bobbie for ages now, and I began to think, where's she gone? You know, rumours have been circulating that she's fighting on the streets, she's going on the Jeremy Kyle show every week.
Steve,
that's you. Get up!
I'm a lady!
Come here, right now!
Ow!
I just don't know if all these rumours are true. So, I had two options. I could go round that and say, "Alright Bob, you've been on Jezza this week." Or I could send Press to do it. So I obviously went with the right one, Press. So I sent the Press down there, and anyway, I just wondered how it got on really. I mean, I think it should have went alright.
Not today, thanks!
Is it true you're dating Justin Bieber?
Oh, of course!
2 hours later.
What now?
Is it true you're duetting with Susan Boyle?
Do I look like I'm duetting with Susan Boyle?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Go away,
Is it
imbecile!
true? Is it true you're dating Brad Pitt?
6.5 hours later.
Oh, I have to open this door one more time, I'm telling me husband.
Is it? Why haven't you been in Maxiblog? Is it true that you are a walrus?
Yeah, well I gave up smoking, what do you expect?
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Not today, we don't take scoundrels.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the clip. I'd like to thank all of you for all the support that I've been given. Thank you again, it means a lot to me. Also, follow me on other social media sites, links will be in the description down below. And guys, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, as it helps me a lot. And again, subscribe for future videos, as you will get updated every time. Anyway guys, take care, goodbye for now, and thanks for watching. See you later guys.
B?
Yeah, go near him. There you go. Oh, he's fighting back there. You better fight him. You got it. You got it.
Come on! Oh, he's kicking him in the cobblers! Ah, he's crunching his nuts!
He's dead.
Oh!
He's dead.